Hey guys, I am Anam and welcome to Farmers. I actually thought of making this video long ago, but my year started kinda slow. Then there was a family trip. फिर उसके बाद मुझे और एक video edit करनी थी. And now we are here, late, but never mind. Because I've realized something, late is better than never. And as you saw in my previous post that I already had the prints with me. If you have not watched that video yet, जाइए प्लीज़ जाके देखिए और बताइए कैसा था. So all the prints that I had with me, I just cut them off to their sizes. And by the way, I use Pinterest and ChatGPT for making these photos. But now is the real struggle, placing them. And I already had the clarity where I want those photos to be. Like few of the photos I wanted in the middle section or other goals on the side section. So according to that I went on, but जैसे जैसे I was placing them, I thought कि this canvas board was too long, like it was not the size that I wanted. तो I thought why waste a canvas board. और मैंने एडवांस में ही canvas board के साथ साथ cardboard भी रख लिया था. तो I shifted to that and I tried placing all of these again on the cardboard. Making vision board isn't big thing, but placing them and collecting all of the stuffs that you want to do, so that is a struggle. While I'm making this, I'll tell a few stories about me that I am good at a lot of things like calligraphy, art, creative stuff and studies. तो सब पे फोकस करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता था और मेरा कंसंट्रेशन एक जगह टिकता ही नहीं है. और
In with the OG Fevicol. मेरा दिमाग खराब हो चुका है because I'm fasting, you guys. I can already envision what's coming from here. Like, look at that. So good.
ये सब गोल्स जो भी मैंने रखे हैं ये उन्हीं को फिगर आउट करके मैंने बनाया है कि व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इन दिस ईयर. एंड आई सीरियसली वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस लेजीनेस एंड ओवरथिंकिंग एंड फोकस ऑन माय गोल्स and priorities. But anyways, this video isn't about having everything figured out. It's just me being honest. And now I want to say something, especially for those who are still in college, that please never doubt yourself. इतना फोकस्ड रहो कि it does not matter who's talking behind your back. शायद मेरे पीछे भी लोग बात करते होंगे, I'm sure करते ही होंगे. But I never bothered about those. अगर bother भी किया होगा तो I just put those thoughts into something which is my go-to therapy, calligraphy of course. Letters, strokes, ink, patience. That's where my mind felt calm. So if you're confused, lost, or thinking about 10 things at once, that's okay. You are not behind. You're just exploring. And maybe that's part of the process. I know this video is messy, but it's just like my thoughts. I am being real to you guys so that I can connect more with you and tell real stories that I went through.
No influencer would have shown you the struggle of pasting. It's not a struggle, but so that's the mess. And here is the vision board. It's finally done. I'll show you in different angle.
Maybe it took me days to finally make this, but I never doubted myself that I will not do it. I put my trust into it and I was finally able to do it. So if you are also procrastinating, please get up and show up. Because life is nothing without struggles. And if you want me to make more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel.